In this video, we're going to talk about files and we're going to talk about inserting files, and we're going to have a go at inserting a file onto your OneNote page. So there might be a time when your teacher wants you to upload something to your page so that she can have access to it very quickly and easy. Now, doing that on a Mac, there's a couple of ways we can do it. The one simple way is to head up to the insert button, hit the paperclip and choose the file that we want. Now you can add a whole lot of different files to a OneNote page. In this first example, we're going to add a Word document. When you add it, you get a few options: upload to OneDrive and insert a link, insert as an attachment, or a printout. Now only certain things like a Word document or a PDF, you're going to get the option for a printout, which is going to put that page and actually put on the page so you can actually view the information on the page. I'm just going to insert it as an attachment, and you see it went into that box because that's where my cursor was. Wherever my cursor is, that's where it's going to insert that actual file. For example, if I want to insert something else, for example, I maybe have recorded something and I want my teacher to have access to this audio recording of my podcast, I'm going to again insert it as an attachment. Because my cursor was over here, this is where it actually went. Now if I need to move that around to somewhere else, maybe I want to put it below this one over here, the easiest way for on a Mac is you just Command X or cut it, and then paste it into the place that I want it. That's the easiest way to just quickly move it around. And if you want to do a bit of formatting and center it, but you can add a whole lot of options out. Now another option is to simply drag and drop. So for example, I might have something on my desktop that I want to simply drag in, like this PowerPoint. I'm just going to drag that straight onto my page and drop it in there and insert it as an attachment, and there is my PowerPoint. Okay, so a couple of options for inserting files on a Mac.